Hi everyone, today we're going to be installing our new clear tail lights on the Tacoma. Alright, these are the new design by USR. They're fully clear with black housing, so it gives it that really aggressive look that everyone wants nowadays. But since they're clear lands, the vendor normally tends to provide colored bulbs, but we're going to be testing our new USR LED bulbs. They're super bright, and we're going to be showing the difference between if you just use regular clear bulbs, colored bulbs that are incandescent, and our brand new bright USR LED bulbs. So let's go ahead and get started with the install. So to remove the tail light, it's really simple. All you have to do is remove this 10mm bolt right here and the one down here below. So this one right here and this one right here are the ones that have to be removed in order to pull out the tail light. Okay, once the screw is out, all you gotta do is grab the tail light from down here and right here on the side. You can see it's already a little bit loose. All you gotta do is pull it out and it should slide out. Like so. Alright, so see, we moved the tail light already. All we gotta do is unplug our sockets. They have little tabs that you can just squeeze and then pull and it comes out. And that's how you unplug it. As for sockets, everything's pretty easy to plug in place. Then we'll mount our tail light and bolt it down, and that's how you remove the tail light and install it. And the other clips you'll be seeing is the functionalities and outputs of different bulbs.